folks. This is sort of weird. Are you spying on us? No, I'm just teasing. Hey, yeah, so here we are, mid-April. This is our first day of seeding. Today we're planting carrots. This is dill that's being seeded right now. We did cilantro, we did spinach. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get some arugula and baby kale and all that. And I say hopefully because some of the beds are still a little wet and we don't want to get in there with the tractor and damage the soil. So we're still waiting on that. And we're really trying to take advantage of the weather, because in the spring, when you have a window of opportunity, you take it. Even if it's the weekend, you get out there, you get stuff planted. They're calling for rain on Monday, so here we are on the weekend getting stuff in the ground. And yeah, it's pretty exciting. It's like a whole new season. You know, when I walk through the field, I don't just see a bunch of brown dirt. In my mind's eye, I'm imagining a sea of green and so many different crops, so many different vegetables, so many different recipes, so many happy people, you know? So many of those like great conversations at the farm store when we have CSA members coming by telling us, oh my God, I tried that recipe you told me last week, blah, blah, blah. It's just like, you know, that's what I see. When I walk through the field, I see possibility, and that's why I'm farming, because I believe in another world. You know, I believe, not in another world, I believe in this world. I believe in this world. I believe that great people come together and make great things happen, and that's why we're here. That's why you're here, and I want to say thank you. So thanks for being here. And I look forward to seeing you this summer. Take care, folks.